Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead program sponsored by Delta.exchange. Today I have a workshop in Bangalore, so that's why there is no video, it's only audio. Now, Nifty closed around 24,970. In fact, few days before I mentioned if Nifty closes below that level, and Nifty is becoming bearish. But Nifty closed exactly around that level. So I was a little bit confused whether the market is bearish or bullish. And anyway, Reliance Industries, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. So 3 results are there over the weekend. So I thought maybe I can make a decision by Monday. So if Nifty gap up on Monday morning, and then if that gap up sustains, and if Friday's low is not broken, so then we can expect some kind of a recovery. So if not, surely markets are becoming bearish. So this is as per some technical which I follow. You may remember I said no, markets are becoming long when Nifty crossed 23,200 on the higher side, and from there it has shot up more than 2,000 points. And also this rally also lasted, like more than 2 months, I think. So now the markets are coming. Now, why having a doubt about this bearish market? Okay, although IT index has fallen nearly 20% from the recent all-time high, that is last year all-time high. Axis Bank results were bad. And number one, global cues are looking very good. And many markets, on Friday, even Australian market hit all-time high. Many markets are hitting all-time high. So we are just moving against the global trend. So that's number one. And number two, market has been falling like anything. I think Nifty has fallen nearly 650, 700 points. But despite that, India VIX is not moving higher. If you look at the December option prices, call prices keep coming down, but put prices has not increased. About 2 weeks before, I sold some 24,000 put option and 28,000 call option in December series. The 28,000 call has come down from 280 rupees to 125 rupees. But at the same time, the put option prices is up by only 1 or 2 rupees only. So that is the kind of volatility index. So people still believe that, the market downside is limited from here. And number 3, despite market falling so much, the monthly options still 25,000 put option as the highest open interest. In fact, markets are trading below 25,000. Nifty spot is below 25,000. So the 25,000 has become slightly in the money. But despite that, that is having a huge open interest. So probably people wanted to wait for these 3 corporate results and to make a decision on Monday. Now, come back to the corporate results. The Reliance results seems to be very good. And in fact, at some point of time, Reliance GDR was higher by about 2.5%, but finally it closed only with about 0.5% plus. But anyway, Reliance GDR, the liquidity is very, very low, so that's not the correct indication. So if the Reliance moves by 1 to 2% on Monday, then markets can recover. Then HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank results seems to be good, and which has been good for the last many quarters. But HDFC Bank is a questionable. Although apparently HDFC Bank results seems to be good, once upon a time, every quarter they used to show about 20% growth, but this time they've shown only 12% growth. But that 12% also, it is including their profit from selling HDB Financial. So some people say if you remove the HDB Financial stake sale profit, then the result is actually one of the worst in the last many quarters or even in the last many years. And also the people say this is not only about HDFC Bank, so this is about the Indian economy. And because HDFC Bank is the largest bank and the largest lender of retail loans, looks like, Indian common man is struggling to repay the loans. So when the economy is not really doing well, and although looking at other parameters like inflation, that like close to 6 years low and this and that, but it looks like, there is some problem from the middle class. So let us not go into that. That's a long-term view. So coming to the short-term view, despite HDFC Bank announcing they are planning for a bonus issue, they are planning for, a special dividend, the markets did not share. And in fact, just one day ahead of results, HDFC Bank has fallen nearly 40 rupees. So tomorrow, we need to see how HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, and Reliance Industries are going to open and sustain. So based on that, the markets will, we will decide. So one thing I'm clear, yesterday's close should not be broken. And on a closing basis, sometimes, it might break the intraday, but on a closing basis, that means around 325 tomorrow, Nifty should not be trading below Friday's close. If that happens, and I will become bearish. So, 24,800 should be a good support because all the major results are out. From now until next Thursday, there are no major results. Probably Infosys is there, that I do not remember exactly. Other than that, there are no other big corporate results. I think Infosys also Thursday after market hours, I think. So let me check once again. So probably bigger action may happen in the last week of July series. Coming week from Monday to Thursday, probably it's going to be the same story, old story, a consolidation. Maybe from between 24,800 and 25,600. So let us see what is going to happen. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.